how to talk to AI on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can talk to AI on the Snapchat. So guys, to talk the Snapchat AI chatbot known as My AI, you will have need to follow some steps. So first of all, you will have to open the Snapchat app and then swipe right from the camera screen to access your chat. And after that, look for My AI at the top of the chat screen. And if you don't see it, try updating the Snapchat app. So guys, tap on My AI to start the conversation with the chat bot. So you have to tap right here on My AI. And after that, you can ask My AI questions, seek advice, and play games and more. Play games and more. However, be aware that My AI responses may include biased, incorrect, harmful, or misleading content. So you should always double check any answer or responses provided by the bot with other sources. So guys, this is how you can talk to My AI on the Snapchat. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.